Absolutely solid brick detached bungalow house located in excellent family-oriented neighborhood. Fully renovated with quality materials, hardwood floors throughout main floors. Income property 2-bedroom basement apartment with separate entrance. 45 by 116 feet lot. Steps to TTC, minutes to go and Highway 401. Steps to Community Center, Cedarbrae Mall, Library, close to Tredway, Wordsworth Peas, French Immersion, Ampersand Parks. Extras: 2 fridges, 2 stoves, ranged hood, washer dryer. All electrical light fixtures, air condition, furnace, hot water rental. Great property for rental income. Good opportunity to first-time home buyers.